What are the cushions for?
Sam, I thought we'd play a game of musical cushions. That's where you play some music, and then you hop, skip, or jump around the cushions until the music stops.
And then you find a cushion to sit on?
That's right, Anthony.
Well, it sounds a bit like that game Musical Chairs, except you've got cushions instead.
Oh, it is indeed. Sam,
Hi.
sing.
Oh, I'd love to, Captain. But just one
Hi.
question before
Hey,
we start.
babe.
How do you play?
Hey, babe.
Why are there only 3?
Hi.
Oh, only
Brayden.
three fastest get
Where's
to
the
sit on
baby?
cushion.
Oh, I see.
Ready, everybody?
Babe.
Let's start.
What's that?
First. Ready?
Can you give the baby a kiss? Can you give the baby a kiss? Brayden, can you give the baby kisses? Is that funny? Aw, that's nice.
This time we'll skip.
Can you give kisses?
Ready?
Can you give kisses? That's the belly button. Baby.
Mommy, do you okay then?
Jump. Oh, no, don't jump on mommy. No, don't jump on mommy.
Hurry. We'll play it again.
Can you give the baby kisses? Can you give kisses?
This time, everybody, I'm going to play a trick.
No, you can't have the camera.
What's this?
The baby.
Okay. Time for jumping.